Want 7 times more customers? Optimize your Google business profile. Hey everyone, it's your name here. Listen, we all want more customers, right? More leads, more foot traffic, more sales. It's the lifeblood of any business. But what if I told you there's a completely free tool out there that can send you 7 times more customers than you're getting now? You heard that right? 7 times. I'm talking about your Google business profile. You know, that little box that pops up when someone searches for you or your industry on Google Maps or search? It's prime real estate, and most businesses aren't even using it right. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to optimize your Google business profile step by step, so you can start attracting those customers and blowing past the competition. Let's dive in. Start with the basics. Update your business information. First things first, make sure all your essential information is accurate and up to date. That means your business name, exactly as it is everywhere else online. Then double-check that your address is correct, your phone number is current, and you've got the right website URL linked up. It seems simple, but you'd be surprised how many businesses have typos or outdated info, and that's an instant turn-off for potential customers. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to find and contact you, so get those basics right. A picture's worth 1,000 clicks. Add high-quality photos. Listen, we live in a visual world. People want to see what they're getting before they walk through your door. So make sure you've got high-quality photos on your profile. Think about it. Your logo, front and center, some eye-catching images of your products or services in action, maybe even a friendly face from your team. Businesses with photos get way more engagement, more direction requests, more website clicks. It's a no-brainer. Tell your story. Write a clear business description. Now it's time to tell people what you're all about. Write a short, compelling business description that clearly explains what you do and why you're unique. Don't be afraid to brag a little. Highlight your specialties, your experience, your awards, anything that sets you apart. And here's a pro tip sprinkle in some relevant keywords that people might search for when looking for a business like yours. This helps Google connect your profile with the right searches. Chapter 4. Find your people. Select the right business categories. Google gives you a powerful tool to target your ideal customer, but you have to use it. When you're setting up your profile, you'll be asked to select categories for your business. Choose wisely. These categories tell Google what kind of searches your business should show up for. Be specific, and don't be afraid to pick a few subcategories that really hone in on your niche. Chapter 5. Social proof is king. Encourage customer reviews. You know what's more convincing than anything you can say about your business? What your happy customers are saying. Reviews are gold, my friends. They build trust, boost your credibility, and show potential customers that you're the real deal. So encourage your satisfied clients to leave reviews on your Google profile. A simple email or text message can go a long way. Chapter 6. Stay active, stay visible, post updates and offers. Google loves to see businesses that are engaged and active. So don't just set it and forget it. Treat your Google business profile like a mini website. Post regular updates about your business, share photos and videos, announce special offers, even just wish people a happy holiday. The more active you are, the more Google will reward you with better visibility and search results. Out-rotate control of your online presence. There you have it, the roadmap to Google business profile domination. I'm telling you, this stuff is pure marketing gold, and the best part is, it's completely free. All it takes is a little bit of time and effort, so take 15 minutes today, go in there, and give your profile the attention it deserves. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. And hey, if you need a hand with any of this, don't hesitate to reach out.